This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in the Zorin operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once using the terminal in the Zorin operating system, first thing you want to do is open up the terminal, of course. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt T. That will open up my terminal here. And then in the terminal, you want to type a couple commands. The first command is sudo apt update. Hit enter. It asks me for my password. I'm going to type in my password and hit enter again. Now it's going through all of my packages to see if there's any upgrades that can be made. It's all done now. It tells me I can upgrade 12 packages. Now the next command you want to run is sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Now it asks me, do I want to continue? I'm going to type Y and hit enter. Now it is upgrading those 12 packages. Depending on the speed of your computer and how many updates that you need to make, it could take a minute, it could take 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Mine is almost complete here. And mine has finished. It all just depends on how many updates you need to make and the speed of your computer. But that is how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in the Zorin operating system. Thanks for watching.